This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Barca Benson Real Estate Team. Less than bedroom greater than Caroline Barca and Marcia Benson. Desirable lakeside monthly fees are one of the lowest on Hutchinson Island, $800, special assessment paid in full, building restoration complete, newer roof, 2018, newer seawall, parking lot recently paved and reserves on schedule to be fully funded. The condo is move-in ready, filled west/natural light, offers wide views of the golf course and resort, yet privately situated towards the back of the community. With about 1,600 square feet of living space, all rooms are spacious, there is plenty of storage and a big stand-up attic with pull-down stairs. Attractive primary bedroom is a comfortable size, boasts a walk-in closet and beautiful views of the resort. Pet-friendly, pickup trucks with tonneau covers over the bed allowed, and the home can be rented out for a 28-day minimum. Just a short walk to the resident-only beach access and heated pool. Indian River Plantation offers an optional membership to the Ocean Club for golf, tennis, pickleball, gym, beachside cabanas, marina and more. For more information, review the details below or contact Barca Benson Real Estate Team. Less than bedroom greater than Caroline Barca and Marcia Benson at 772-485-2216.